Hi, welcome to Making All the Plans. I'm Connie, and if we haven't met before, I'm a busy mom of 2 active kids, and both my husband and I have full-time careers. My goal is to share with you how I stay on top of all life throws at me in one planner so that you might be able to do the same. So the first thing that I want to do is go through all the tasks that I completed last week. What we're looking at right now is my in progress board of my Kanban board. So my to-do tasks live in my HB90 notebook, then I move all of my active tasks into my planner, and then once I complete those tasks, I move them back into my HB90 notebook. It is important for me to have all of the things that I am working on front and center, and you'll see that in just a minute when I go to do my weekly plan. This week's video, there will be little voiceover and a lot of music. Just go ahead and plan out your week with me if you haven't already. I know this video will go up a little bit later than it normally does, but I needed to sit down and get my thoughts together for the week. It's going to be a crazy one, and I just encourage you to take this time to do so as well. And it doesn't matter if it's Sunday, Monday, or any day of the week. If you haven't done this yet, go ahead and sit down and take the time to put your week together. So now that I've moved my completed tasks back into my HB90 notebook, I'm now looking at the tasks that I need to complete in the next 2 weeks or so. I am pretty much clearing off my making all the plans tasks so that I can make room to start planning out the tasks for August. It's hard to believe we're almost at that time where we need to start planning out our August. This weekend is a big basement weekend, and I don't want to move all of those tasks over. So we will just leave those there, see how far we get this weekend, and then I'll make a game plan going forward. So what's on my board right now are my main priority tasks for the week. The next thing that I want to do is copy these over to my sidebar in my weekly planner so they are always front and center. Like I said, it's very important to keep those tasks that I need to accomplish this week front and center and top of mind. I am going to grab my dot tip markers and copy those over to the sidebar. Next up, I like to rate all of the events that are happening throughout the week. There aren't necessarily a ton of events. It's going to be this weekend where it looks like there is nothing going on. That will be the busiest because we plan on spending the weekend cleaning out the basement and prepping for construction to start. I do keep my Google Calendar open to the right side of me so you can see me pausing. That's me looking at the calendar and verifying that I'm writing the right thing on the correct day. I do plan on going into work on Tuesday and Thursday this week, but I may end up going in on Wednesday or Friday as well.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever.
Now that I can look and see what all is planned for the week, I can now go in and schedule all of my tasks out. And I won't be zooming in and out a lot today, only because when I spread out my tasks and they aren't across one row, it makes it hard to jump around and focus in. So I apologize if you cannot read exactly what I am writing. But I do want to mention that I try to group all my phone calls and things like that on days that I'm working at home. On days that I'm in the office, it is harder for me to make a phone call during the day. So I really try to get those things done on Monday, Wednesday, or Friday when I am scheduled to be at home. I am also trying to load my making all the plans tasks toward the beginning of the week. Since we are going to be doing the basement clean out this weekend, I need to try and be on top of as much as possible in the beginning of the week, just so I can set myself up for success for the weekend. But looking this over, a couple of things that I am noticing as I am going through my weekly plan is I do need to get a lot done in the beginning of the week in order to have a success on the weekend. The other thing is my daughter has a dentist appointment on Tuesday where I need to be in the office. And a lot of times it's flexible where if I need to not go in on a Tuesday, I'll just go in on a different day. But this particular week, I do need to be in the office on Tuesday. So I will have to ask my son to take her to the dentist, which is not a big deal, except I need to give him a heads up that that needs to happen. I am also doing a little bit of color coding to go along with what's in the sidebar. I will come back in at the very end to add in some pink tasks, and those are things like filling out final forms or making a phone call, sending an email, things like that, that aren't necessarily a home task. They're not an errand. They're not related to making all the plans. So I will come in at the very end and put in some pink tasks, but that's what those are. is my spread for the week. It looks a little deceptive, like I don't have anything going on this weekend, but I need to keep in the back of my head that there's a lot going on this weekend and I really need to stay on top of all of the tasks earlier in the week. But I hope that you have a productive and great week. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.